Hello, today I'm going to share this one, Shiruto. Okay, what's Shiruto? Okay, we have the filing here, so I explain to you what is Shiruto. Okay, in our body, we have every day we have so many pathogens, dirty things, foreign things coming into our body. Okay, what is pathogen? For example, parasite, bacteria, virus, haze, pollen, so on. Nowadays very dirty the environment. And then, but our body, right, is very sophisticated one, very clever one. Got 24-hour defensive shield, protect our body. Okay, externally protect and internally protect. So in our body, the biggest and most important cell for immune system is called this macrophage. You can Google this, macrophage. So macrophage is very important in our body. What is the macrophage function? Macrophage is to protect the body, okay, regulating immune system, eliminate each cell, and repair cells. Okay, these four. So protect the body. For example, if the virus come into our body, macrophage will engulf it, fight it, swallow the bad thing. Okay, kill it lah. Second, macrophage will regulate the immune system, meaning if your immune system is too active, it will ask the immune system to calm down, don't want to too active, regulate, balance it. Number 3 is eliminate each an abnormal cell, meaning if the cell already die, the bad thing already be attacked by macrophage die already, so this macrophage will eliminate each and abnormal cells, will take up the dead body of the bad things. 4 is repair cells. Okay, if your immune system in your body externally attack the own cell damage already, then will repair cells. For example, if our body, our skin got wound, right, we can just plaster it. But in our body, no wound, cannot plaster it so we got the macrophage can help to repair cells. So let's do this 1, 2, 3, 4. But because of our aging, environmental issues, pollution, and so on, and stress, not enough sleep, all this, our macrophage cannot work 24 hours. Okay, so they cannot do the protect, regulate, eliminate, and repair cells thing. So the macrophage is sleeping. So this Shiruto comes in to help to wake up the macrophage. So this, we have 4 unique elements of Shiruto. Unique ingredient, patented, fermented extraction process, clinically proven, and first and only ingredients recognized in Citra, Japan. So this product is from Japan, very king one. Okay, first, Shiruto made from what? Made from IPPA1. IPPA1 is the wheat extract collected from fermentation process. This one. So it's not normal wheat. It's extract already and then you fermented it, 发酵的那个小麦. Okay? So you have important vitamins for immune system. No? So this is the Shiruto contains IPPA1. So this IPPA1 process is like this. You will come in, you will look for the receptor of your macrophage. Okay, and then you come in the receptor called TLR4, go into your body, find the gene expression for the nucleus here, and then active the macrophage. So the macrophage is sleeping one. Because of the IPPA1, the Shiruto, it will wake up the macrophage and back to work, help your body to protect your body. So it's not a drug, it's not a medicine, it's something, a supplement to help wake up your macrophage, let the macrophage in your body to start working. Very good one. Number 2, patented process. As you can see, the fermented wheat, okay, activate immune system and then help to prevent and improve some of the listed here is infection, allergy, dermatitis, gastric ulcer, osteoporosis, and so on. You can just Facebook type the what you call that, testimonial of the Shiruto. I can help many things one. Number 3, okay, here you can see the clinical proven here. IPPA1 has 1,000 times more than beta-glucan and lactic acid bacteria to wake up your macrophage. Okay, for example, beta-glucan and lactic acid bacteria here, for example, your yogurt, your Vitagen, and all this But our IPPA1 got 1,000 times more than the beta-glucan and lactic acid bacteria. So you always buy the beta-glucan from outside, right? IPPA1 has 1,000 times more efficient in doing the job So it's very good lor. So if you, for example, you have to drink like 1,000 bottles of yogurt, same with 1 sachet of Shiruto, something like that. Number 2, you can reduce mortality from parasite, okay? And reduce dermatitis also. So skin problem is a very good one. For skin issues, right, you have 71% that can help. So it's not 100%, nothing is 100%, but 71% is considered very good really. And then reduce allergic reaction. So if people have allergic to this, to that, sometimes people cannot eat seafood, so you can try this also. Next one, effectively reduce high cholesterol. This is very important one because macrophage help to eliminate oxidized LDL, means the bad cholesterol on our body that will stuck and let your body cholesterol level go up. So this IPPA1 can help you to reduce. You see, this one got take, then can reduce. No take, then come up. Okay. Next, you have reduced gastric ulcer. So people with stomach issue, got ulcer, got gastric, right, can try this also because help you to repair your ulcer. Not only gastric ulcer, your mouth ulcer. So also got testimony about this. And then you also have repair insulin producing cell. This is for type 1 diabetes. Okay, you cannot heal, you cannot totally recover it, but you can help to prolong, delay the disease outbreak. Okay, so the diabetic you can under control from here. Okay, this one, first and only ingredient, the ingredient is the IPPA1 recognized by Citra Japan. What is Citra? Citra is Control of Innate Immunity Technology Research Association. So actually I'm not very clever one, I just talk from here only, very easy. So everybody can explain what is Shiruto. Okay, you have all the here, all the, from 1982 we just start research until present. Okay, so this is Shiruto. Some of the basic thing, unique, highly effective, active ingredient IPPA1. You also have blueberry flavor. You also inside got vitamin C, beta-glucan, so it's very good lor. And then you can see, we have many certificates here. You have GMP here. You also have halal here. Have halal certificate and also suitable for vegetarian to consume. Okay, and patented more than 10 countries. Japan, USA, Australia, Europe, Canada, China, Korea, India, Singapore, Israel, Taiwan, Russia. So many countries. So this is what is Shiruto suitable for who? Kids is very good, can improve your immune system. Adult help to reduce allergies, speed up recovery time. Elderly help to improve immunity. So old people also very important. So my family also, everybody got Shiruto one. Okay, kids you or the old people everybody can take 1 sachet daily. For children, if adult 2 to 4 sachet. Okay, so you can take anytime. You can take before food, after food. So like this one, no? So Shiruto inside is like this one. Like this one. 1 sachet is like this. Okay, so it's very easy, and this actually is very good. You know why? Because you can open just like this. See? You can open just like this, and then you just no need to put water, just pour in the mouth. Done. It's blueberry flavor, like sweet like the one, so children like it. Okay, so this is my sharing for today. For the testimonial, actually you can see a lot on Facebook. Okay, that's all my sharing. Thank you. Bye bye.